Scotland travel tips no one tells you. Planning a trip to Scotland? You've probably heard about the castles, the whiskey, and the bagpipes. But what if I told you there are unspoken rules, unexpected costs, and secret hacks that no one talks about, until it's too late? Stick around, because in the next few minutes, I'll share Scotland travel tips no one tells you, not even your favorite travel vloggers. Tip number 1, don't just visit Edinburgh. Edinburgh is magical, but don't stop there. Scotland's soul lives in its Highlands and hidden islands. Skip the tourist traps and take the road less traveled. Tip number 2, that Loch Ness tour, maybe skip it. It's iconic but overpriced. Instead, rent a car and explore Loch Lomond or Glencoe, just as stunning with half the crowd. Tip number 3, you'll need a rain plan, always. Scotland can go from sunshine to sideways rain in seconds. Pack layers and a real waterproof jacket, not just a hoodie. Tip number 4, tipping isn't what you think. Unlike the US, tipping in Scotland is appreciated but not expected. 10% is plenty, and only if the service is good. Tip number 5, Scottish accents are wild. Even English speakers can get lost in the thick Scottish brogue. Don't be shy to ask them to repeat, they're used to it and always up for a laugh. Tip number 6, don't underestimate driving. Planning to rent a car? Prepare for narrow roads, sheep traffic, and driving on the left. Not for the faint-hearted, but totally worth it. Tip number 7, free attractions are everywhere. Scotland's best experiences, mostly free. From national museums to jaw-dropping nature trails, your wallet will thank you. Tip number 8, expect early closures. Shops and restaurants shut early, especially in smaller towns. Plan ahead or you'll end up hangry in the Highlands. Tip number 9, respect the history. Scotland isn't just beautiful, it's historic. From Culloden to Stirling, every stone has a story. Learn a bit before you go. Locals appreciate it. Tip number 10, locals make the trip. The best part of Scotland, the people. Chat with locals, share a pint, join a ceilidh. They'll turn your trip into a story you'll never forget. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and tell us, what's one thing you wish you knew before visiting Scotland?